So, what's up guys? Sama ko na naman si Mark.
Hey guys,
Mark, saan ba tayo pupunta ngayon?
punta namin sa
China! So guys, pupunta tayo ng China ngayon para alamin yung culture nila at kung ano ba talagang meron sa China. So,
samahan nyo kami.
tara na!
Let's go!
Let's go guys!
Guys, malapit na tayo.
Dito tayo sa China ya.
Ito na po ang lagusan.
Ito na guys! Ang ganda oh. Ang ginagawa mo dyan? Yung mga kasira ka dyan? I found something bro. Oh, what is this? Ano yan? Hi guys, ito yung nakita ni Mark. You guys know this? Dito kami sa Great Wall of China. So kung alam nyo to, kami bilang
Ni hao.
Yeah.
And Gao Xinjiao Lam. We found the missing piece of the puzzle. Now we have a mission. Come with me. I am Sam, the most powerful being. The two of you, what's your name?
I'm John. Ayun Mark.
I'm in a mission to find those pieces of the puzzle. But first, I'll show you China. As you can see, we are in the Great Wall of China. It's 21,000 kilometers. This was built for defense, truly a marvel of engineering. Journey to the West is one of the 4 great classical novels, and that is true. I am the real Monkey King. I'll show you our culture, history, and Buddhism. The early Chinese literature is rich in mythological lore and poetry. The Xi Jing is the earliest anthology of Chinese poetry, and the Dao De Jing by Lao Tzu is a cornerstone of Taoist thought.
Oh.
Son, so, where can we find the other pieces?
We're gonna find the other pieces through our journey with different panels.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Yo, we need to find the letters U and E to complete our puzzle. Maybe this shop has something.
Yeah, it looks promising. Let's go.
Let's go.
What do you want?
Hi, we're looking for something we need. Specifically, we need the letters U and E for our mission we're working on.
Letters. I don't normally sell those, but I might have what you need. What's this mission about?
So, back in China, there's this monk named Sun who gave us a mission about finding letters from different countries. This mission is inspired from China's literature, and we heard that you might be able to help us.
Literature, huh? That's a valuable word here. My prices just went up.
So, how much are we talking about?
Double the usual price. If you really want these letters, you'll have to pay.
That's quite steep. Can't we negotiate?
This is not just about money. If Indian literature is valuable, if you really appreciate it, you understand the cost.
Alright, we'll pay. But can you tell us more about Indian literature and why is it so important?
India's literature spans thousands of years. We have the Vedas, ancient texts filled with hymns, philosophies, and rituals. The Mahabharata and Ramayana are epic narratives that define our cultural heritage.
That's incredible. What about modern literature?
We have Nobel laureates like Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote Gitanjali. Our literature was evolved but always retained in depth and diversity.
Thank you, Priya. Really do appreciate the value of these letters.
Alright, here are the letters you need. But remember, India's heritage is priceless. Make sure to share that with your viewers.
Thank you, Priya. We will definitely share this with our audience.
Enjoy your journey in Bharat and make sure to explore our landscapes too. from the Himalayan mountain system to the northern plains and peninsular India. There's so much to see.
Uy, Jan, tignan mo yung letter ko. Ano to? Ba't parang may... Ano yan? Bakit ganyan yan sa'yo? Uy, may nakasulat.
Complete your quest. Head to the rice fields in Indonesia. More letters awaits you there. Ano, friend? Tara na.
Tara.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the beautiful countryside of Indonesia!
That's right. Indonesia is known for its rich culture, diverse traditions, and incredible landscapes. Today, we are on a special mission to find the other letters to complete our mission.
Let's ask her if she can help us.
That's a good idea. Let's go.
Salamat, Dadang. Welcome. How can I help you?
Hi! We're on a quest in finding 2 letters. We heard you might have what we need.
What do you need them for?
We're vlogging about a mission that Sun told us, and he said that we need 2 of your letters to accomplish it.
Letters? Why should I give you these letters for something new?
Back in China, we encountered a monk named Sun. And because we found a letter, and he appeared. He instructed us to find the letters in one of these countries: India, Indonesia, South Korea, China, and Philippines. And back in India, a girl named Priya instructed us to go here in Indonesia to find a girl wearing a belt with a charm. And we found you.
I understand, but these letters are precious to me. What do I get in return?
Maybe we can help you in the field for a bit. We can learn more about your work and we can share it in our blog too.
Alright, if you help me finish this section of the rice field, maybe I can give you the letters. Let's go. You know, our literature also reflects our struggles and our hopes. It's more than just words on a page.
We can see that now. Thank you for sharing this with us.
And thank you for letting us help. It's been an eye-opening experience.
Here, you've earned this. Use them well and make sure to tell your audience about our culture and our literature.
We will. Terima kasih. What's your name again?
Nama ko, Charlie. Your name is Charlie.
Thank you, Charlene. This place looks perfect for our search. Let's talk to her.
Absolutely. She might be able to help us find the letters.
안녕하세요. Jenna Shikaina입니다. How can I assist you today?
Annyeong, nanin John, Mark. And we're on a mission about Korean literature. And we need the letters E and E.
Letters? That's unusual. What is this mission all about?
So we're exploring the significance of Korean literature and we need those letters to complete our mission.
Ah, I see. The letters are part of a social collection related to Korean cultural heritage. However, they are not just letters. They symbolize historical and literary significance. There is a challenge involved in acquiring them.
Challenge? What kind of challenge?
You need to solve a riddle related to Korean history to earn these letters. It is a test of your knowledge and appreciation of our culture.
We're up for the challenge. What's the riddle?
I am a form of poetry, deeply cherished with 3 lines and a melody that never ends. Born from the Joseon Dynasty grand stage, solve this to unlock the next page.
It sounds like it's referring to a specific type of Korean poetry.
Yes, it must be Siho, the traditional Korean poetry from the Joseon Dynasty.
Correct. Since you solved the riddle, here is the letter U and E. Use them wisely. Correct. Here are the letters. And use them wisely.
Thank you very much. We'll make sure to honor this knowledge to our mission.
Yes, thank you. We'll convey the message to our audience and we'll make sure to use them wisely.
Uy! Philippines! Ulo eh.
Magandang araw po, Manang. Ako po pala si John. Ito naman po si Mark. And we're on a quest on finding two letters. We heard that you might be able to help us.
Magandang araw din sa inyo. I know what you were looking for. The letters R and T are indeed very special, but first, you must need first to understand their significance in our culture and literature.
We'd love to learn more, Manang.
The letters T and R are part of a larger puzzle that represents the core values of Filipino culture. T stands for tradition, which encompasses the rich customs and history passed down through generations. R stands for respect, a fundamental value in Filipino society, especially towards elders and community.
So these letters are more than just symbols.
You're right. It represents the essence of Filipino identity.
And these letters are key to completing your mission to highlight the rich literary of each the 5 countries. So here's the letters. Use them wisely and ensure that your project will reflect the true spirit of our culture.
Thank you, Manang. We promise to honor the meanings behind these letters.
This is not the end of our journey, but we've learned so much. We can't wait to share this with everyone.
Thank you very much, Manang.
Maraming salamat po.
Pero nakunan natin lahat ng letra ng sinabi ni San.
Oo nga.
Ang gagawin na natin?
Pagsamahin kaya natin.
Sige.
Congratulations, travelers. You've successfully gathered all the letters from each country. Now, let's celebrate what these letters represent. Literature. Literature is a mirror of a history and wisdom. It carries the stories of our ancestors and the lessons that guide our future.
Literature is the soul of our culture. It's the sacred texts and epic tales that define our heritage and inspire generations.
Literature is the voice of our people. It tells our struggles, hopes, and the beauty of our diverse traditions.
Literature is the essence of our identity. It preserves our history, celebrates our poetry, and connects us to our roots.
Literature is the heart of our community. It embodies our traditions, values, and the respect we hold for one another.
Together, these letters spell literature, a word that crosses borders and unites us through shared stories and cultural heritage. Thank you, John and Mark, for embarking on this journey and helping us remember the importance of preserving and celebrating our literary treasures.
Okay, class dismissed.